Today we're going to show you how to install our RKS series retrofit into a 2x4 troffer. You'll see our package comes with two LED strips and an LED driver, and all we need in the fixture is the power that's coming in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up the fixture. We don't need anything but the power coming into it. So we'll expose our ballast cover, and you can see in this fixture we've already removed everything. First, we're going to install our magnetically backed driver that will hold itself in place while you work with your hands, which is a very nice feature. And you'll connect your neutral and hot supply wires. And these are good for 120 or 277, so it'll work in almost any fixture. Okay, next we're going to take our LED driver and position it so we can connect our LED strips. One connection to each side with this quick connector, and we can place these up into the fixture into the center of where the existing lamps once were. We're going to install the ballast cover to hide the wiring, and we can turn on the power. As you can see, the LED strips are doing the job of four fluorescent lamps inside this fixture, and it's only using 40 watts. And we can cover that up, and through the prismatic lens we get very nice light out of the fixture. Thank you.